Hello, today we're gonna make a milk box cookie. We need a A4 size paper, a scissor, some colors, a black pen, and stuffings. You can use paper, plastic bags, or just cotton. We will take the paper, we will fold in half. And now here we will fold in half too. And here we will cut it. So the other part we will put it on the side, and this part we will open it and we will cut it here. Now we will take this piece, we will fold in half again, and we will unfold it, we will take this edge and this edge, we will line it to the middle. Now we're gonna take this edge and we will line it to this edge. We will do the same step for this edge. And now we will take this corner and we will bring it here. We will fold it back and fold it back. We will take this edge and we will line it here. And we will do the same thing on the other side. Now we will unfold all the steps and we will flip it to the other side. We will take the pen and we will color this part. You will color that like me I color. And now you draw like this. We will flip it and now we will take this edge and this edge, line it to the middle. We'll fold it back. We will put it straight like this, and we will put this. We will put it to the center here, and we will do the same step on the other side. And on the up, we will put it in here, and we will do the same step on the other side. This is our first piece. Now we will do the same step on this page. We will do all the same steps just for the coloring. I will show you. Now for the coloring part, we will just color the same part, but we will not color here, or here. We will just color the center part. We will color it. And here we will write ingredient. And we will just draw some lines. And after we will do the same steps. And in here, we will put the stuffings. And after, we will close it with this, the first one. And here we go, we made a milk box squishy. You can even use this, if you use a bigger paper, you can use this for a box. And if you make a small one for a squishy. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.